are we doing, guys?
We're walking around until we can check in.
We are walking in.
My hair is already starting to go flat. It feels like just, I'll be ponytailing it later.
Yeah. Did not accommodate for the humidity. But it's fun. It's beautiful here. Waiting across the street.
With great friends.
Oh, yeah! Cheers! Got a little mood lighting, we got a little essential oil diffuser that we brought with. We have lavender and sage in there. But we are going to sign off. We will see you in the next video. Bye! Bye!